Hola! Hello! So today I'm super excited. I want to show you everything that I got for Black Friday. I had been waiting for Black Friday to come. I had a huge and long wish list and I finally got a lot of things and I'm super excited about them. And as I said in the last vlog, today I'm going to show everything that I got. And I also want to know what you got for Black Friday, like if you're already buying Christmas presents. So I'll get the box and we'll start. Whew. So I put everything in a mango box. So the thing is, I wanted to wait until I did this vlog to open everything, you know, to do a real unboxing. I'm just too impatient. I wanted to see everything. And yeah, I already started wearing some stuff, so let's go. There are several categories. I think that I'm going to start by sharing skincare. So I was running out of all of my skincare products, like all of the steps. Really, I only had a little bit left of my moisturizer and it wasn't working really well with my skin. Like, I actually think that I got some blemishes for using that moisturizer. Like, you can see my skin lately hasn't been amazing, I have to say. So yeah, I'm upgrading my skincare. So we'll start with the first thing, which is this. I don't know if you can see. Woo. Yeah, I don't know why it is in German. I don't know from which provider I bought it from. I bought it on Amazon. But yeah, CeraVe or CeraVe, I don't know how you pronounce it. It works very well with my skin. So yeah, I just got it again. I had already used this one before. Next one, I'm very excited about this. I don't know if you know this brand. Can you see? I don't know how people do this. It is called Beauty of Joseon. It's simply an SPF, a 50 SPF, because I'm pale, as you can see, and I just want to prevent as much as I can aging. And SPF is the best thing you can do. And I know that maybe it is not the best brand, even though if it is very viral right now, this one. But Korean brands are very light. And I like that for my skin because it's the only way that I'm going to wear sun protection every single day. So yeah, I got that to use every day in the morning. Then in the evening, I got this one. It's also like, I think it's also like Korean brand. I don't know. Can you see? I had used the regular snail mucin before from this brand, but this time I just needed a moisturizer for the night, and I got this one. Let's see how it works on my skin. I just did a lot of research on ChatGPT, like sharing how my skin is and what kind of products would work, and also watching the channel. It's called Dr. Lee, if I'm not wrong. It's like two dermatologists guys. They discuss and review products, and they are real dermatologists, so very useful. This is the cream. And let's see how it goes. I also got pimple patches. When I'm getting all these blemishes, I tend to put them and I shouldn't, and then I get scars. So I got pimple patches to try to avoid doing that. Also for the skin, but not skincare, but cosmetics. This is makeup. It is from Wonderskin. Can you see? Can you see? So it is a lip stain in the tone Whimsical. I don't know if you can see. It's the one that I'm wearing right now. So I wanted to try this one because they targeted me very well on Instagram. I don't know who's doing the performance marketing of that brand, but it's working on me. So the thing is that every day in the morning I put lipstick on and then I go to the office, I eat or grab a coffee or whatever, and then it's gone. And I cannot be in the office thinking about if I have my lipstick on or not, or going to the bathroom just to put it back on. I mean, I could, but that's not the kind of thought that I want to have while I'm working. So I said, let's try a lip stain. And I had one from the brand from Rihanna, Fenty, before, and it was amazing. But then I said, oh, let's try Sephora. And no, that sucked. That didn't work on my lips. And I had seen this one a lot, so yeah. And funny story short, this comes, you know, can you see? Yes, in a very weird color. And this is like blue, purple, like very intense. And you put it on and then you once you wait for like a minute or so, so you let the product dry. Then you, with a damp tissue, you take it off, and then you have the real color underneath, which is this one, So the thing is that I told my boyfriend that I got a new lip stain and that I was a new lipstick, and that I was super excited, and that I had spent like $30 or something like that. I really don't know how much I paid for this. I just tried to hype him up, and that I knew it was a bold move or something like that, but that I'm trying something new. So he came to see, and there was me with blue lips, like extremely blue, electric blue, and he was like, okay, no, this is interesting, this is new. I'm like, yeah, I know, what do you think about it? And well, he was like trying to agree and be polite and say, oh, maybe not with this top, maybe with another one. And well, at the end I end up laughing because I say, would you go to the theater with me like this? And he was like, yes, of course. Oh my god, he's so sweet. Then I told him what this is, and then I showed him the real color. He was like, okay. And then he got a little bit angry with me, but that was fun. So yeah, I got this too. And that is it for cosmetics, which I think is enough. Talking about my boyfriend, our 5th anniversary is next week, and he loves cooking, so I thought that I could buy him something to cook. And he's been complaining that he wants knives that I don't want to speak very loud because he's next door, but he wants some knives so he can cook properly, and also like some new pans, blah blah blah, pans and pots. I knew he wanted that, but he never said it, and I already had it on my wish list on Amazon for his birthday. And the other day he was like, oh, maybe we should get some, and I was like, oh no, we're not going to spend money on that. Like, haha, it's already coming, it's on its way. Like, I know he's going to like it, but you know, to make it a little bit more special, not just utilities, I also bought him this. It's an apron, a cute, nice apron. I still have to figure out how this works because I have no clue, but it's a nice apron. So he can cook looking nice. But yeah, I'm going to give this to him next Saturday, December 13th. And I hope he likes it. I'm pretty sure he's going to like it. Let's move on. So, I don't know if I want to show you now the thing that I'm most excited about or doing it at the end. I think that maybe I'll do clothes now, and then the other thing at the end. So if you want to know, stay, because I'm very excited about that. As I've said in some past vlogs, I gained some sizes these past years. So instead of trying to shrink myself, I decided to get some new clothes that fit me, and also the style that I currently have, which is like modern, elegant, smart for work, but you know, powerful. Or that's what I'm trying to project. So I got a regular pullover. I'm going to try all of this on so you can see as well. I bought a regular white pullover from Uniqlo. Okay. I also got some like regular stuff like socks and t-shirts to wear underneath, you know, so I am not that cold. But then I got also some pants from Mango. I love this one. These are like, I don't know, like black slightly flirt pants. For the first time in a very long time, I found some trousers that are way too long for me because I am 180, and all of the times when I'm getting trousers, they are too short for me. And you can see like my ankles a little bit, and I hate it. I get super pissed off. And these ones instead, like I have to wear them with heels. Otherwise they are going to get dirty because they can touch the floor. Other people would complain about that, but I'm just too excited. Let's keep going. I also got a blazer. So I like blazers, but I used to dress like more classic, elegant, and now I'm moving towards something more modern but still elegant. And I got an oversized blazer, which is, I have been using this already. I like it a lot. It's super comfy. I can layer a lot of things with this, and the color goes with a lot of stuff that I already have, so I'm just very happy with it. I'm going to show you some outfits, I swear. This blazer actually came with some pants. These This is from Zara, by the way. And these are the pants. Can you see? I think it's called barrel shape. I don't know. I just tried them on in store and I thought they were super comfortable. And they are like a different aesthetic of, so they are a different aesthetic of what I'm used to wear. But I thought, oh, maybe like I can try, and I got them online and got them home and I just tried them on and I still don't see how it fits me. I'm not convinced, so probably I'm going to get them back. Yes, probably I'm going to send them back because there's something off of all of the time. I also got this set. I love it. It's extremely comfortable. This one is from Mango. I had seen it months ago, like in September, once I went to store. And I saw it, but I didn't want to buy it. And I just was waiting for a better time. And then when I tried to buy it in October, they didn't have it in stock. And I was so super pissed off because I really liked it. And then when I was buying for Black Friday, I saw it was there. They had it again. So I just had to get it. And I have already worn this to the office and everyone is obsessed with it. Or at least that's what they say. Like, they complimented me a lot the day that I wore this. And yeah, I'm just super happy that I got it because it was super comfortable. It's like wearing sweatpants, but in elegant version. Footwear, I also got a lot of footwear. I like wearing heels, but I also like walking to the office. So there's a dilemma there because if I walk to the office, maybe heels are going to get like too uncomfortable, like my feet are going to hurt during the day. So I knew I needed something that was flat and comfy when I'm tired or when I have my period, or I don't know, a day that I want to go like more relaxed. I just needed comfy shoes. So I saw this pair on Mango. They are cute and they are soft, like they don't hurt here. So I just thought that this would work, and I have already worn them several times and I just think they are super comfy and they go with everything that I have, so perfect. I also had ankle boots in which I feel super comfortable, but they are destroyed, like they are scattered, like they were peeling off and everything, so not nice. I needed to get new ones, and when I went to the Mango store, I saw this pair. This pair is like square, I'm going to show you only one, square point. This heel, I don't know how high is this, and it's like kind of leather. I don't know if it's leather. I don't think it's leather. They didn't have my size, but I tried on a smaller size and I thought, oh, this is comfortable. If I get them in my size, this is going to be amazing. So I got them online. But the thing is that I have always wanted also light ankle boots, and they had the same model but in this other color, so it's exactly the same shoe. I just got it too because I said that I'm going to wear it. These are two neutral tones. I'm going to wear these shoes all of the time, and I have already worn both of them to the office and they are extremely comfortable. I can be all day with them and my feet do not hurt, like just a little bit, of course. They are not trainers, but they are extremely comfortable, so I'm very happy about that. And to protect this, I got this spray because I had seen something similar to this from an influencer online, Josie London, she's called. She does vlogs, she's amazing, from London. Although she lives in the Cotswolds, she recommended spraying your shoes when they are new so you can protect them. Because this kind of textile, when it gets wet, it gets ruined. So spraying some of these on top, you make them impermeables. I don't know how to say impermeable in English, but you know, it doesn't get stained, so... That's why I got this. Not interesting at all. And also I got this belt, just a belt that goes with everything that I got. But girls, let's move on to the thing that excites me the most. Let me take this. I'm going to come closer for this. So, you know, I wear glasses. I'm actually going to show you my regular glasses. I mean, if you have seen any other vlog, maybe you have seen me wear this. Okay, this is like regular, I don't know, I'm just not excited about them anymore, and I knew I wanted to get some new ones. I said, okay, let's do it on Black Friday because they are going to be discounted and glasses are usually quite expensive to do, so I say, okay, let's do it at that moment. But I feel that lately I'm changing a little bit my style because I don't want to be that classic anymore. I want to be like more modern and, if it makes sense, powerful. My reference, if you're Spanish, maybe you know it, is Noemi Galera, okay? Very random. But I don't know, I just like a very confident woman, and that's what I want to project. And I say like, okay, getting glasses is something that can make a difference, depending the ones you choose, of course. So I ended up going for something a little bit bold, and I got this. This is animal print. Sorry for the light, I'll turn it off. What do we think? This is animal print, but the thing is that I could get a second pair of glasses. Let me show you. Voila! For €1 more, I could get the glasses, but I wanted them with blue glasses, I think they are called, because I spent all day in front of a screen, so I just wanted the blue protection. But yeah, for me this is something, you know, because when I look at myself with these glasses, I only see the glasses, I do not see my face that much, but I just like them so much. Let me know if you like them in the comments. I'm just excited, I haven't showed them to anyone yet. Let me know in the comments if you got anything interesting that you are super excited about. I'm going to try to leave the links of everything that I got in case you liked anything, that you can check it out. Okay, I'll see you in the next vlog. Thank you. Adios.